Alright guys, if you want to make money online, and I mean like loads of money, not just like $1,000, $2,000 a month. If you really want to make like maybe $50,000, $60,000 a month, just keep watching this specific video, because I have covered down 6 best side hustles for you guys, through which you can like earn between $30,000 to $50,000 a month if you can do those kind of side hustles on a big scale. I'll just ask you guys to stick to the very end, because you're going to get a lot of value out of it. I'm going to cover around 6 best side hustles which is working extremely well right now in the specific scenario, the market and whatnot. So just I'm just going to give you a brief about each side hustle and how you can just start making money, right? And all the side hustles that I'm going to list in this specific video, mostly I have tried it all. And make sure guys, like if you really find value in this specific video, don't forget to like the video as well. And most importantly, there are very valuable links. There are some links in the description. You guys can definitely check them out. And also let's connect on Instagram as well. Looking forward to connecting with you guys. So guys, the first specific side hustle, which is like on the top of the list, it's social media marketing agency. So you know it, like what is it all about? My entire channel is all about social media marketing agency, how to start, how to get clients, how to deliver to your clients, and how to retain them. So what it is all about, so you select a service, you start offering the service to the prospects who need them. You do that on a large and big scale in volume, and you start making money. You just gotta close clients, rinse and repeat the process, deliver them, get them the ROI, and just rinse and repeat. After that, you just have to keep repeating it until you like reach $50,000 or let's say $100,000 a month. As soon as you start hitting like $100,000 a month with your agency, guys, after that it's game over. I mean, like obviously you can make a lot of money with your marketing agency, but 100,000 a month with your marketing agency, like you will be left with a lot of money as your net profit, right? Because there's like only like there can be only just $20,000-$30,000 worth of expenses, whereas $70,000, $60,000, it's just all yours, right? So you have to take your agency to a level of let's say $100,000, and after that it's all going to be super easy. You have to again make sure like your niche, your industry which you're targeting also want that kind of service. If they don't want it, you're just wasting your time. Again, if you want to know more about SMMA, you can just like watch any video on my channel. You're going to get like a lot of value out of it. So guys, the second side hustle here which I'm going to mention is online flipping, right? And what is online flipping is you build something of your own, and you just sell it off. When I first started like in this marketing space, guess what, I was into drop shipping, and I created a home decor website on Shopify platform, if I'm not wrong. I created that website and it was so responsive and so good website. Like I cannot tell you, like I've listed on all the products in that particular website, and it was so good. Like I just posted the link of that website on a Facebook group, inside a Facebook group, and guess what, a lot of people started reaching out to me regarding like how did you make this so good website, right? And that's how I actually made my first amount of money before SMMA. And I sold that website for around $100 or $150, and that's known as online flipping. So this is one way of flipping things online. The second way is the third I guess say like the side hustle is buying something for low and selling it for something high. That's like the third side hustle, and you can also say like it's also kind of online flipping. But to be honest, it's like you are buying something, so you have to invest something, like maybe some few bucks upfront. You're going to buy something and you're going to just sell it off, whether it's on Amazon, eBay, or whatever it is, right? So it's known as online flipping, right? So when you build something on your own, so it doesn't take much of an investment in terms of money. It only takes a time investment, and if you can invest your time, build a website, start posting blogs, you can create a website and get a lot of traffic in that specific website, and you can just sell it off on, there's like website known as Flipper. On that you can just list down your website. You can just mention the stats of the website, like how many traffic the website is actually getting on a monthly basis, right? So if you can do that, if you're good at blogging too, right? So start blogging about any specific topic, build a website up, and that's like take it to a like 100,000 monthly visitors or maybe more than that, right? And list those websites on different marketplaces, such as Flipper is one example. I also used to use that website to buy and sell websites. So It's like, you have to create a website, rank it up in terms of SEO, like get more visitors to the website, list it up. And to be honest, these kinds of websites which is getting a lot of traffic, you can sell these kind of websites in, to be honest, like more than $5,000, $10,000. So it's a easy money making strategy. Okay guys, the fourth side hustle is, obviously you guessed it, it's drop shipping. And to be honest, when I first started out, so like I mentioned, I had a home decor store, so I did made like few sales. I cannot tell you, like it was so hard for me to like get success in drop shipping. There was like ad creation, there was like landing pages, and it was just me at that specific time. I had no partner, and to be honest, like I have to do everything on my own. And to be honest, at one point I was almost this close, on the verge to ask money from my parents to like just give me the money, I'll run ads and I'll return the money. I was this close, on the verge of it, but somehow like I just said like let's stop the idea of drop shipping. But I listed my products on Facebook marketplace, and that's how I got my few initial sales completely for free. And I thought, like, if I can list as many as products on Facebook marketplace, I can get as many as sales. So I'm not sure if it was out of luck or my destiny or whatever it is, but after that, like, I started getting like no sales. After a point, I didn't got any traffic to my products too. So I'm not sure like what happened after that. So I just dropped the idea, and after that I found it, this SMMA method, right? And I've heard like the profit margins in like while doing dropshipping is kind of low, maybe 25% or 20%, I'm not sure. But still, if you can do stuff in volume, if you can do things in volume for any business out there, you're going to make money. That's it. More clients, more product sales, more visitors, it's going to make sense for you guys, right? Okay guys, the fifth side hustle is video editing and designing. I cannot tell you, and I cannot actually insist you guys, just think about this. Like, if you know how to edit videos on, let's say, Adobe Photoshop, or let's say any other video platform, because there's like only few people out there, few video editors who know how to edit good videos, literally. And to be honest, at this very moment, there's like a lot of businesses who wants a video editor. And these video editors on Upwork, I've seen like they charge around 120 or let's say $150 an hour, right? A little bit, like little tiny bit of interest in like editing videos, definitely give video editing a shot. Do it for next 6 months and see how your life changes. And you can, like, to be honest, start charging these clients like maybe $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 per video. When I went to Vietnam, like there was this friend of mine which I met him there itself. So he got a video product, and Warner Bros, if you know that, like movie production company, those guys actually contacted him because he was so good in editing videos, and he was getting paid around $3,000 to $4,000 just for 30-second clip, just 30-second clip. So just think about like this video editing skill. If you know this, if you master this, people will start reaching out to you on their own. And Warner Bros, it's so big movie production company. Guys, this is the last and the sixth side hustle, and this is known as domain flipping. I'm not sure like if you guys ever heard of domain flipping, but what it actually means is you purchase domains at very low cost, and you list them for like a high price. And to be honest, in the past I tried domain flipping. I got 2 sales out of it. I made around like $1,000 or $1,200 out of just 2 domains. So my initial investment was around just, I guess, $50-$60. So I think one domain was $25 or $30 each. That's it. I purchased a domain at a very low cost. I resold that domain at a very high cost. Now you'll be asking, Bhavesh, where did you sold those domains? I purchased a domain from GoDaddy, and I listed the domains on GoDaddy marketplace, where like a lot of people actually sells their domain. I founded this domain flipping thing on YouTube. I did some research, purchased a lot of domains. Obviously, again, this game is all about money. I think I purchased around 10-15 domains. Out of that, I got 2 sales, and I made back around $1,000 to $1,500, somewhere between that. So it works. So if you have some kind of money with you which you can invest, like a little bit money, let's say $100, because with $100 you can get around 5, 6 or maybe 7 domains, and maybe $200 it will get you like 15-20 domains. And out of those 20 domains, you can literally, like, let's say one domain is costing you, let's say $20, you can literally resell resold that domain for, let's say, $1,500, and there are people who are going to buy it. So you just got to find the right domain. Obviously you cannot just go out there and find, like, buy any domain. You have to do the research, which domain is currently trending, like .com, .online, .co, .xyz. Like, there's like a lot of research you gotta do. So there's like a lot of things goes into it. It's not easy. I did some my own research, and that's how I got my first domain flipping sale. Okay guys, I guess that's pretty much it for this specific video. I've listed down 6 best side hustles. According to me, if I were in your position, I would have tried it out. Any one of them. I'm trying SMMA out. I've tried domain flipping. I've tried dropshipping. I've tried online flipping, creating websites, selling it, and whatnot. Right? I've tried it all, and that's why like I'm putting these side hustles in front of you. So it's not like I haven't tried any of those, and I'm just telling you, just to create this video. It's like I've tried it all. I have made money out of those. It do work, and that's how it can give you some kind of additional confidence in making money online. But anyways guys, if you really did find it some value in this video, don't forget to like the video, and if you haven't subscribed, like, you have to subscribe if you are like watching our videos. And let's also connect on Instagram. And if you're someone who wants to start and scale their marketing agency, you can also join our remastered program. You can check the link in the description. Anyways guys, all the very best, and I'll be back with more videos. Bye.